Thank you for calling Haven Spa Pool and Hearth for your hot tub and swim spa repair. Please have the hot tub or swim spa filled to its appropriate level and running to the best of its abilities before our technician arrives. A service representative will be contacting you within 1 business day to schedule your service appointment. Please see our service rates below. Please remember, a credit card is required at the time of booking. Please have your credit card available. Locations outside our typical service areas are subject to additional travel costs. Technicians have fully stocked vans that allow for the issue to be resolved during the initial visit. However, some parts are special order and require a return visit for install. Final payment is due upon completion of the service.